Hi guys! We're moving again. Oh my God. Pero dito pa rin kami sa Malaysia. So, ayun. Medyo tumaas na kasi yung ano dito yung bayad sa renting. So, sa rent. So, lilipat kami sa mas mura. Ayan ang aking mga damit. Ayan na. Next week. Next Monday. So, ayan. Nag-aayos na ako. First, dito muna sa kwarto ko. Ang dami naming damit. Pero hindi na namin nasusuot kasi nga, naglakihan na kaming dalawa. So guys, yan. Mag-ano na tayo. Mag-impake na tayo. Ako lang naman ang magagawa nito. Kasi si Habi naman is my work. So ayun, ako rin naman ang mag-impake. So inuumpisahan ko na ngayon. Ay, grabe. Sobrang init. Hold it. Just hold it.
It's hard.
Eugene found his water boy. So guys, we're going to eat here at Dulang Show. We're going to eat that. So we have this now waiting. It's our first day here in our new place. Yan guys, lumipat kami ng bahay. So, may bago na kaming tinitirhan ngayon. Oh my God, I'm so tired whole day cleaning the house. Packaging the things. Oh my God. Nandito kami sa food courts. Yes, mahaba niya. Yan, lahat yan kainan. Yan guys, haba. Oh. Yan kami. Waiting kami ng food. Before, nasa 32 floor kami. Ngayon, 8 floor na lang. Mas mabilis. Diba? Parang ang tagal. Pag 32 floor, ang tagal sa elevator. What? It's hot? What are you doing there? Hide? You're hiding? Okay, you can hide. Where is Eugene? Wala siyang kalaro. Kaya boring yan. Playtime! No! You need to sit there. You will broke it. We will go home later. Oh no! It's raining again! Okay, finish.
Look at the phone. Look at the phone. It's going down, going down. Going down. Ready?
Ready,
One.
Go!
1, 2, go!
Oh, Eugene. Hold this. Eugene. Hold this line.
Scared.
Wow!
Say hello to the shrimp. Hello.
What is it?
Good morning.
Good evening na.
Good evening, sir.
Good morning.
Wow! Dali ka sa picture.
Okay.
I told you. Guys, fishing again. Fishing every night. That's already one fish. No fishing. Shrimp. Yeah, fishing shrimp. Again, same here yesterday. Oh, shrimp. Daddy, great job, Dad.